Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a 3D cube effect in CapCut PC. So for instance, check your photo or video you like to edit and just go into animation, select combo animation and just scroll down so you can find 3D cube effect. There are cube 2, 3, 4, 5 and you can try this one by one and you can adjust for the duration button. Try for the cube 2, try for the cube 3, cube 4. So you can, I'm sorry if any noise my video. Right, go to Q5 and so you like. I hope this information was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.